Sometimes I said to myself, I'm willing to do better. I'm willing to try. I'm willing to love. I'm willing to forgive. But some people you deal with, are they willing to do the same? No. You know, a car cannot drive without no wheel, my friend. A car cannot drive without no wheel. And you cannot row a boat, right? You got to have something to go with. You got to have something to start with. You got to have something to hold on to in this life. You got to have peace. And I tell you what, I have peace. Some of them feel I don't have peace. I have peace. I have lots of love. Because in a minute or 2 minutes, in 5 minutes, everything can come crashing down. The whole New York City can come and disappear. We're human beings, we just here for a little while. Just a little while. Take a look around and look. God created this earth for us to live in. Love and peace and unity. To share love. To have love. To have peace. To be kind. Some of them want to come with war because they're warmonger. Some people are miserable because they can't live in peace. They have to be in war. I don't like war. I like to live in peace. And when I'm at peace, I sure enough can talk to people better. I sure enough can get my point across. Because there's a time and place for everything. You know, Jamaica, I love Jamaica so bad. And one day I'll be going back to Jamaica to live. I'm a citizen, but I will be going back to Jamaica to live. The simple fact that Jamaica is my home. And I just have to go back home to be at peace. You understand? To be at peace. There's no other way. There's no other way. My grandmother is now dead. And we all live in the United States, all my family. I only have like 2 brothers left in Jamaica. I have family in Spanish Town, Young Street. And I'll be going back to Jamaica sometime next year, hopefully. And God is good. I am not afraid of anyone. Anything I speak the truth and cause it what it will. Because now a lot of us are suffering. Because these men nowadays, they have a problem with these women. They have a problem with beautiful women. They have a problem with independent women. Some of these men, they have problem with women. And I'm going to tell you the problem is. A lot of you women that have men out there and they're married men, do not put up with a slackness. Do not put up with them slackness. You have some of them good, you have some of them women out there, they end up in the shelter. No place to live. But a man want to meet you somewhere, you're going to leave the shelter and come out the shelter to go meet that man somewhere, the street corner, drop into his big car, or jump into his van, and he's going to drive it to a fucking hotel and have sex with you. A man that have his house, a man that have his career, have his business, have his family. Don't sell yourself cheap, ladies. If a man loves you enough and you need a place, he makes enough money, he can help you out in a situation to rent a place if I even a 1 room. But don't make a man come pick you up from the shelter in a nice perfume and in big car, drive up, come meet you at roadside, come out of the shelter, go fuck him, and then drop you back off, you go back in the shelter. Do not make nobody use you like that. Make him go suck him blood clot, mama. Do not make a man use you like that. If you're good enough to fuck, you're good enough to rent your room or help you with the place. Otherwise, you can't get no pussy from you. Some of these fucking men, they're disrespectful and rude. They want to come out here and pick up woman and have sex with them and give them like $100 and $200 and go on like a lot of money. And they want to order the woman around. Not just that, they want the woman to come to. The sex for sweet and she will come to. She don't want to tell us that she look husband. You're done married and can't keep your own family together. And you go in your house, you have your wife. And you turn around and commit adultery with your dirty thinking within your hand for your own satisfaction. and pick up the woman out of shelter, fuck her in out of shelter, and drop her back for going to the fucking shelter. Some of the mind can't shame, when the cocky can't shame, but woman on the pussy must get shame. Get some shame, man. I know I wake up this morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, on Facebook, I see this bitch make a comment. She say I'm a lesbian undercover. That bitch say I am a fucking lesbian. That stinking whore. What in the world make me want to lay a woman down and suck pussy when I have no cocky for stiff for pushing on my hole? And me, I go sit down there and suck some stinking pussy or sour crotches woman. And then turn on and do it. So me I kiss up on and suck woman breast. A big fucking woman that love God. Pissy girl, dirty girl like me tell her, say I would me love me not suck pussy. Go broke your neck in a donkey batty hole. You know who wants stop people make people see them fucking bumbo sauce grass clad self, you know. Who a lesbian? Me ever come to you and beg pussy from you, I beg pussy from nobody and nobody see me a fuck no woman. You know have any videos see me a fuck woman out if you put you out there. But me know it coming from some of the germs and slime bag. Don't be no idiot for them fucking dirty man here. Don't be no fool for them. Man a man dry in a fucking $10 store, take a go shop my $10 store. I mean a man carrying a $10 store, a dance $10 store, a pretty girl store, go blood clot shop. Enough girl me know trust them pussy. And when they come at you to come collect the money, a $10 store then gonna go and buy clothes. Then trust them pussy. If you get pay feet 1 week later and when they get the money, they run straight to pretty girl. A rainbow. And then they go shop. I mean I have nothing against it, but me just not buy nothing a pretty girl and a rainbow. Nothing. Because anything you buy there, everybody else have it on. You look like a old bunch of blood clad clown, like a school uniform. Everybody wear the same thing. That's why, baby, that's why. Security, baby, that, you know. That's why me not buy nothing there. Some $10 store have some nice things, but pretty girl and room, everybody run up and down. And then you come like the white man, they see Jew, them make them company, they see Jew company, they see them, some of them. And then make the clothes out of cheap material. By the time you wear it and wash it one time and wear it, it can't fit you again. The pants foot the way up on your knee, or the frock the way underneath your body, or your arm can't go through the blouse. Everything turns small as soon as you wash it. In a white people neighborhood, you not find out for rainbow and all them place they pack up on a pretty girl. Because the white people are not buying it. They bring it to the black neighborhood. Here come your black motherfuckers. Let me use y'all and make some money and get some no good shit. Black people always end up with the shitty part of the blood clot stick. Remember me tell her that? And it's not a fucking joke. Rainbow. It's a group of Batman company. Because it's a rainbow. Which me not have a problem with a man if he's gay or not. That's not my problem. But me not call him gay. Me call him bubble gum. Me not call nobody gay. You can't call woman gay or call man gay. Just call him bubble gum. If a man a kiss the next man, a chew bubble gum. Girl a suck out girl tongue, a chew bubble gum. What my pelex, a next man welcome. In cocky well dead him off his suck with his tongue, so you don't know say in chew bubble gum. That's how me new tune them and me just a bust this week. Then I say, girl a suck girl tongue, chew bubble gum. Man a suck man tongue, them chew bubble gum. What more play foot a next man welcome. Cocky well dead him off his suck with them tongue. That means you know him chew bubble gum. Everybody come them a chew bubble gum. See the girl they suck out the girl tongue, so you don't know she a chew bubble gum. See the man a kiss the next man down, so you know them a chew bubble gum. So a bubble gum me I say, you see it? So I play a bubble gum thing I go on. So me now watch the face, you know. And me now watch the ear tie, you know. Me just rate up. Cause I can't stop we now from the crazy makeup. Cause now we have this style for me the dead then wake up. Cause we physical fit. Keep it real, cause you know we don't fake up. See it? Yeah.